Hello everyone. So we have started the writing skills portion, and from there we have started the topic notice writing. So previously we have done two practices regarding the notice writing, how to draft the notice. Today we will learn how to draft a notice for the school notice board. Suppose you are a student of any XYZ school and you have been asked to write a notice for the school notice board. So let me read the statement. According to that, we will do the practice. As Mukul Datta, the Secretary of the Literary Society of Arya Public School Chandrana, draft a notice for the school notice board inviting students of class 9 to 12 for the declamation contest to be held in your school. Invent other necessary details. So, you are Mukul Datta right now and the Secretary of the Literary Society of Arya Public School Chandrana. So you have to draft a notice inviting the students from 9 to 12th class to participate in the contest, that is declamation contest. So what is declamation? Declamation is the act of reciting something publicly that you have previously memorized. The act of reciting something publicly आपने कुछ बोलना होता है जो कि आपने याद कर रखा है in the form of speech, and generally this is used as an exercise in schools and colleges. So declamation contest के regarding हम देखते हैं solution इसका. And some other necessary details that you have to invent is who is the organizer, the date, time, venue, and if they have any problem, to whom they can contact. These kind of necessary details you have to invent. But keep in mind, you have to be in limit and you have to be in limit of the given words. That is only 40 to 50 words. You have to follow that. So let's see. First of all, we will write the heading or we will write the name of organization of school. Arya Public School Chandrana. Then we have to write the word notice as it is. Then on the left hand side, we have to write the date 7th July 2020. Then heading declamation contest. Declamation, I have told you what is declamation, the act of reciting something publicly. So the Literary Society is going to organize a declamation contest on 17 July at 11 AM in the school activity room. The topic is, so what is the topic for that declamation contest? That is, cleanliness is next to godliness. Interested students from classes 9 to 12 should register their names with their class teachers. 9 to 12 के जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको अपने नेम्स अपने क्लास इंचार्जेस के पास सबमिट करवाने हैं लेटेस्ट बाय 11 जुलाई. लेटेस्ट बाय मींस 11 जुलाई तक आपने वो कर देने हैं. 11 जुलाई तक आपके नेम्स सबमिट हो जाने चाहिए. फॉर डिटेल्स कॉन्टैक्ट. आपको और डिटेल्स जाननी है. इफ यू वांट टू नो मोर डिटेल्स अबाउट दिस, एनी क्वेरी इफ यू हैव, यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट द फॉलोइंग Mukul Datta. This is the signature of the secretary. Mukul Datta in capital letters, that is the complete name, and then within the bracket designation of Mukul Datta. So Mukul Datta is the secretary of the literary club. So what we have done, the Literary Society, who is the organizer? The Literary Society of the school. What they are going to do? They are going to hold a declamation contest on which date? 17 July. Timing is 11 AM and which is the venue? School activity room. This is the venue. So organizer is Literary Society of the school, and declamation contest is going to be held on which date? 17 July. Timing is 11 AM. Venue is the school activity room. The topic. So what is the topic? Cleanliness is next to godliness. Interested students from class 9 to 12. So who can participate in this contest? Students of 9 to 12 classes. So register their names with their class teachers latest by. This is the date. Latest by जिस date तक आपने अपने names submit करवाने हैं. So for more details you can contact Mukul Datta with the secretary of the literary club of your school. So now we have done how to draft a notice for school notice board. In our next video we will do more writing skills and we will try to learn more and try to improve more writing skills. Thank you very much.